Ayan. Gamitin mo naman yung Gucci mo from Ate Joy.
Yes.
Ay, pag nahulog ka nga. Ayan na nga. Ayan yung
Thank you,
akin.
thank you.
Ayan. And thank you po, Mama, sa aking... Ayan. Ang aking towel. Towel. Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Ayan, may Hermes na tayo, guys. Sa wakas. Char. Okay. Tingin. Wow naman. Si Mama naman. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda naman po. Ayan, guys. Gumagayak na kami. And sabi namin kanina is 8. 8. Ay, hindi. 7 a.m. tayo aalis dapat, di ba? Bigyan ni Ate Joy na shoes. So, let's go. Kunin na natin yung mga pagkain. Pero, anong bibit-biting ko? Pagilagay niya na lang junk food doon. Tara na, guys. Let's go, Bebe Raya. Hold that na. Let's go, guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng bebe namin. Oh.
Siyempre.
Ayan, ito na guys, naglalagay na kami ng mga gamit sa sasakyan. Mamama siya lang bebe namin. Yung ano dyan, baka mamaya may lumabas na monster dyan. Oh my gosh, that's so scary. Oh, ganda naman daw ni Mama, oh. Outfit check. Ang ganda. Oh. At naka-ding-dong!
From Philippines.
Philippines! Say Philippines!
Philippines.
Oh, diba? Uy! Ay, tingnan mo, bagay yung binagay kong shade sa'yo, Ma. Oh. Diba?
Arte ni Lola.
Lola Tess. Okay, let's go guys. Alis na kami. Pupunta na kami ng Niagara Falls. Ayan, first time namin pumunta ng Niagara Falls. Kaming DJ family. Sila Mama, pangatlo na daw nilang punta. Ayan, sila ate, hindi ko alam kung ilang beses silang pumunta doon. Kasama natin. Say hello guys.
Turn right onto Antibes Drive.
Ooh, may mais tayo. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast, guys. Let's go. We're here.
Go, my baby. Let's get down. Check your first seat.
Come on, Stacy. We're here.
This is not the hotel, Stacy. This is the breakfast.
We're gonna eat first. Gwapo mo naman, loves.
Thank you. Ang ganda mo na naman. Pwede doon na ako kaya. Pwede doon. Para may ilagay natin yung...
Sila.
On the table.
Ay, ala, Maya. Pasyal-pasyal yung bebe niyan. Ala, ang galit na. Nagalit na yung bebe niya, no. Kukuha na kami ng food. Come on, guys. Ayan na po. Kuha na tayo. Stacy, later na dito.
Hey, cut mo na lang.
Ay, ikaw, lagdat kuha ka na din.
Oh, omelet.
Parang mas gusto ko to.
Omelet. Mas masarap yan.
Puro egg.
Oops. Oh my gosh, love.
What are you doing? Action star?
Bacon. And sausage.
Ooh. Honey cured. More some honey cured.
Tapos, alam mo, pingi akong plato mo, loves.
Tato ko?
Yeah, para mag-upan natin.
Here.
Ito yung Mama, oh. Mama, yung mga egg doon. And bacon. You want some bacon, Ma? Natukuhanan na po kami.
Lugo. Yeah, sometimes they play.
Wow! Si Mama! Oh, may French toast. Oh, canteen jelly daw to.
Nasa cafeteria.
Oo. Ano naman ito?
Uy, apple sauce.
Apple sauce.
Apple sauce. Lagyan mo sa ano, Labs, yun, no? Sa...
Saan?
Sa donut mo. Ito.
Oh, konti lang, konti lang.
Tsaka apple cinnamon. May cinnamon siya eh.
Konti lang kasi nagda-diet tayo. Okay.
Wait.
Soup yan. Hi, Rafael! Okay, let's eat na. Stacy, okay? You eat before you swim, okay? Ha? You want pancake? Tarap! Uy! Ang saya-saya naman ng batang yan. Kumakain daw siya. Uy!
She has gold here, remember?
Sa bacon. Oh, hot sauce. Pero wala yung hot sauce.
Asya, masaya siya. Bebe.
Uy! Oh, tatawa na naman yan pag nasubo. Uy! Ang saya-saya naman nung kumakain na yan. Oh, see? Uy! You're so cute, Raya. Set up si Papa ng pang-selfie namin.
Umihin ka na ba, Lala?
Group picture. Ihi. Later na, Ma.
Oh? Later pa?
Malapit lang naman yata yung hotel, Ma.
Okay.
Ayan po ang bebe Raya natin. Ayan, nasa ilalim tayo ng araw, guys. Mamaya maitim na tayo. Yung pinutoy natin nung winter, iitim natin ngayong summer.
Gusto ko din
Oh, mag-lipstick ka na. Love you, loves.
Sabi lang.
Hi, Kati.
Ano ba?
It's the 10. Ayan, guys. Ito yung street ng Niagara. Nakita ko yung ano ni...
Wow, look at that Ferris wheel.
Ooh.
Stacy, look.
Oh my God. Dito pa.
What kind of Ferris wheel? Showing his bum bum. Look. What's that in the, ano, ayun, oh.
In 400 meters, turn right onto Bender Street.
Ooh, may tao dun.
Baliktad na bahay, ayun
Oh, nice. Ay, yung naka-upside down ka ba?
Oo. Pag pumasok ka sa loob, may hilo ka. Hindi, sa camera, parang meron ko. Kakaibang gravity na.
Gravity.
Kasi kung wala silang nilagay na kung gravity yan.
Your destination is on the right.
Parking. Naku po, mapapakasino tayo. Skyline.
Self-parking
Pier.
garage.
Hi. Ha?
Ay, saan pa tayo? Saan ba sila nagpunta?
Yung parking. And guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa parking. So magre-register lang kami. Tapos punta na kami sa hotel. Yung sasagot yung text ko. Ay, yung text ko? Okay, wait lang. Check ko yung message ni ate.
Yung mayawak.
Ayan, bayad natin sa hotel.
Pakilagay na lang sa wallet mo lang.
Tatag yun na magbigay ng bayad natin.
Nagkukulat ako sinasabi niya lalo eh.
Bakit tumutog siya dyan?
Kasi sabi niya, sinabi, nag-libre pa daw. Nakikiram na daw ako ng 1,000. Sabi ko, hindi ako nakikiram ng 1,000.
Sabi mo, kaya ko lang kayo. Wait guys, wait. Yan yung water park. Ayan, dito kami ngayon guys, nag-book ng hotel. Ayan, included na to sa hotel na binook namin. May water park. So, mag-water park kami. Oh, saya. Excited na ako. Hello. Hi. Ayan na, si ate. No-confirm niya na yung reservation namin. 2 rooms. Reservation. Okay, go.
Yung card.
Yung card mo, binigyan ko na sa'yo ah.
Ah?
Binigay ko na sa'yo.
Sa akin.
Pagpuntanin ko kayo eh.
Ayun, ang gagawin. Ibigay.
Sungit talaga ng ate ko. Naka-live ka, ate.
Ibibigay yung credit card sa akin.
Ate, naka-video ka na, maging mabait ka na.
Anong card?
Okay. Yung daming mga free.
Ito yung Sunset Clifton Hill.
Ano ba yan? Ano yan?
Tayo dito. Oh my God, I'm so excited to bring you here.
Oh.
Sakay tayo dyan.
Dami.
Ayun o, fun pass, 6 attractions.
Oh, magkano?
One low price. It's only for $30.
Oh,
diba?
$30
Niagara Sky Whales, Zombie Attack, Movieland Wax Museum, Cosmic Coaster, Dinosaur Adventure Golf, Ghostbuster 3D.
Okay, sige. Ano pa? Ito, oh, the haunted house, oh.
Kaya ngayon yung sa pinag na.
Ay. Oh my God. $1 off. Oh. Ayan, guys. Mukhang nakakatakot. Okay.
Dito. 1702 tayo.
Uy, magkasamang magkuya.
Dulo? Dulo ba tayo?
What why were you wearing your jacket like that? You look like a Star Wars. Ba't ganyan si Rafael? Anong ginagawa ni Kuya?
Wow.
Kasi ito yung room nila ate. Asan ang ilaw? Wala lang. Gusto kong i-video. Dahil, ay, automatic pa lang may ano.
Oh, nakikimasuggest ka lang naman dyan sana.
Yes. Okay.
This is so creepy! Daddy!
Ayan ang kanilang room. Diba? I-tour muna natin nang walang ilaw. Ayan.
This is a place!
Okay, let's go to our room. Stacy, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go.
Sige mo, wala kang
Wait.
Ibalik mo muna ito.
See the swimming
I-vlog mo yung pagbukas ng pintuan.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, Come on, guys. Ay, mali. Ano ba?
Let's see where I
Mali.
Ay, mali.
Yung arrow, sundin mo yung arrow. Pagkatanggal mo, hintayin mo yung green. Tanggal. Hintayin mo, yan.
Can you sit down here?
Welcome to our room. Yan. So, meron kami dalawang double bed.
Wow.
Ito yung CR. Bilay na pala kasama ko. Ito yung CR. Maliit. Maliit lang siya. Ba't mas maganda yung kila ate? Ate, ba't mas maganda yung sayo? Ate.
I never moved.
Yes!
I want to move this.
Jump! Sige, jump! Ayan na! Ayan na po.
Ay,
Nag-jump
naku
na
po.
Jump!
Oh, again. Be careful. Have fun, but be careful.
Oh, don't do that.
Patay tayo.
Ay, naku, Bren. Masubsob ka dito, Bren. Naku.
Okay, wait.
That's
Wait, beds are not trampolines, so we just have to lay down and relax.
They say that's our time.
Ayan na po. Oh, sige, kalikot. Mga kalikot girls. We have a visitor baby. Stacy, sige, yung panty mo nakita na. Sige.
Mommy, this is our
Buti pa yung bebe Raya ko. Oh, matahimik lang yan. Oh, tahimik lang sa umpisa yan.
Can you watch?
Tahimik lang sa umpisa yung bebe kong yan.
I got a pee-pee.
Ang mga bata. Na-stress sa mga bata, guys.
After our picture, hindi na kayo magpipicture. Hindi na kayo mag-swimming, ha?
Ang babait.
Guys, ready na kaming magpalit ng swimsuit. Si Mama nakapalit na siya. Oo, ang sexy ni Mama. Oo. Ready na si Stacy. Let me see my baby. Ooh, so sexy. Uy. Uy. How about Mommy?
You too. You're the sexiest.
Uy.
You're the sexiest.
Pilingera po tayo ngayon dito sa Canada.
Mommy, you're the sexiest.
Oh, thank you. Oh, 'di ba? Pilingero tayo ngayon dito sa Canada. Si Raya, sexy ba 'yan si Raya? Uy, sexy baby. Sige. Oh, Tita Stacy, ako maglalagay mo sa'yo. Lagyan na natin.
Better, yeah.
Because that's not allowed for swimming.
Stacy, can I borrow your bag?
Hindi naman magubad, di ba?
Okay. Paano ba maglagay? Okay? Amin na.
Okay lang ako.
Mabuti yung ano mo. Daddy ka mo. Ito Jake. Ito Jake for to the rescue.
Fish, I do. On me.
It's unlimited time,
Ano
right?
pala? Yun.
Kaso for one use lang yun.
I want to go with you. I want to.
Ngayon, papapicture daw kay Papa. Ang magnanay. Smile!
Okay, 3, 2.
Oh, yung mga batang... Oh, yung batang kita. Na nakaano. Oh, yung mga bagong panganak dyan. Pipicturean ko na.
Ano mo na kami?
Picture. 1, 2, 3. Ay, video din pala to. Ulit. Ay, grabe. Ayan ang water park. Ah! Dito na tayo! Ay, nasa daan tayo, oh. Ba't may umaapoy doon? Door nga talaga dito. Yung loob guys ng ano, water park nila dito. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. Hindi kaiitim. Hindi nakakaitim dito. Asan na yung dalawa? Ay, lumalamig.
What do you have?
Ito Papa Jimmy first. You will go to him first and say, Happy Father's Day.
What's that? Happy Father's Day.
Thank you! Wow!
Mommy, can I have the book thingy? Dad, Mommy, can I have the book thingy? Mommy, the book.
You're welcome, Papa. Oh, look at your gift to Papa, oh. Oh, take it down, Stacy. Say,
Welcome.
you're welcome, Papa Jimmy. Yeah, Papa Jimmy, they love it.
Mommy.
Hi. Ito Tapos na kaming maligo sa water park. Ngayon naman ay mamamasyal na kami. Magna-nightlife kami dito sa Niagara. Dahil nightlife, magsusuot tayo ng pangmalakasang earrings. Okay. Sana ma-accomplish namin lahat ng mga lalakarin kasi baka kulangin kami sa time. 2 days lang kami dito sa Niagara. Parang ang sarap 5 days. Pasyal-pasyal ka lang dyan. Layo kasi sa amin. Okay ba guys? Ganda ba? Diba? Pakabog yan. So, ayos-ayos lang muna tayo. Kasi magpipicture tayo.
Ryan is sleeping? Yes. Where's Raya?
Tingnan nyo yung kamay ko guys. Grabe yung allergy ko oh. Feeling ko na poison ivy ako guys. Grabe. Nagpipitas-pitas ako ng mga mga flower dandelion sa
Me too. I had
daan. And then nasabit yung kamay ko dun sa isang damo. Parang tusok-tusok.
no,
Parang ano na to no?
a sprinkle.
1 month na yata ito.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. Just gonna
Grabe, akala ko pagaling na siya pero kumakati-kati. Naku, meron ba kayo alam na allergy ay remedy dito?
No.
Grabe talaga.
What's he gonna put me in? Yeah, I put you on the top. Did you?
Hi guys! Ayan, hapon na ngayon. Ano oras na pala lang?
It's 7:30.
7:30 PM na guys. Pero tingnan nyo naman. Napakatirik pa ng araw. Kaya meron pa rin tayong sunglasses. And then, ngayon ay kakain kami dito sa loob ng casino. Paano ba bigkasin? Niagara? Niagara. Parang Viagra. Sorry.
The blue pill.
Yeah, the blue pill.
Ngarag yan.
That we don't need.
Okay, naragyan. Okay. Hindi natin dinala yung mga yung Hershey's coupons. Ito na guys, dito na kami. Ito yung upside down house.
1, 2. Wait, Lams. No, Lams. Here. Okay lang, hintayin ko lang si...
Yung antena nasa baba. Nakahawak na ako ng bubong.
Yeah, yung satellite.
At ang satellite. Ang satellite, di ba? May CCTV. May pinto. Ang lapit lang pala ng Applebee's, guys.
From the upside down house.
Oo, no? Yan, daming mga kainan dito. Papa John's.
IHOP.
Kasi IHOP. Ooh.
Replace!
Oo, replace. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko pala alam. Ano yun?
Anything na bazaar.
Oo, ito na pala kainan namin. Woo! I'm so excited.
Applebee's?
Tanong kami, 3rd floor daw ang Applebee's. Okay, 3rd floor nga daw. Tara. Let's go. Okay. Yan, nandito na kami. Oh, is sleepy.
Hi, Bill. I cannot see you. I said hi, and Grandma.
Sushi kissing? Good.
It's good, okay? You eat, okay?
Did you try it? There's no bone, so you just stick your fork in there and then you just bite it. Good.
Is it hot? Is it hot?
Yo, could you bite it? And then show mommy if it's good on camera. Go.
Is it good? See, you like it? Tingin.
It looks spicy though. It looks barbecue sauce.
More Raphael.
If it's
Oh,
All barbecue sauce are spicy.
onion rings and burger. Wow, sarap naman. Okay, go. Kaya na. Mamaya. Go, go, go. Get.
Yeah. Kids chicken fingers? Yes. Can we, it also, the meals come with a choice of milk or juice, right? Can we get one milk, please? Thank you.
Chicken
Strips and fries.
Laki ng
This is
sayo eh.
sauce, but if you don't
Hindi mo
want
naman yung
sauce,
order ng kaati oh.
Okay.
Ang laki. Oh my God.
Is that the 2-pound one?
Video ba yan? Ang picture
I
ba?
don't know, man. It looks like it's 2 pounds.
Video siya actually. With picture. O diba ang laki?
Dip it here.
Ooh, ang dami.
Don't get the garlic, just get the sauce.
Ito yung sa akin yung order
It's
namin.
called the tartar sauce. It'll make it taste better.
Ang laki naman ng
Yeah.
fish na yan. Sulit ah. Mac and cheese. Burger. Whiskey burger.
Yes. Because it's so much better. Try it. Let me see. So you know the taste. Ranch. Ranch. Or sour cream.
I think it's ranch.
Ranch, right? Because that's vegetable.
Good, right?
This tastes.
Spicy or hot?
It's,
Oh,
they call it
Sorry.
sour.
You do?
Maybe. Depends.
Like pepperoni, they put in. Which one do you like better, Stacey?
happy birthday, Jake!
Thank you.
To you.
Getting old.
Did they get used
Oh,
to
very
like
good
birthday
naman,
season?
Brielle. Birthday, Daddy.
What?
I'm good, man. I'm good, thank you. Want mashed potatoes? Chicken.
Binibigyan mo na ako. Nasa kang sumula.
Gapo mo nga dyan eh, oh.
Grabe, don't like it?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam. Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Your Honor, hindi ko po alam.
Si Papa, ala, dumugo.
Ano kung gano'ng kalaki yung ano?
Tignan natin kung gaano kalaki yung ano.
Wait lang siguro. Hindi, ayun ako.
Ayun, ayun. Iwan nyo na yan. Mga selfie stick yan? Nanganakit? Hindi ko po alam. Ay, Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Papasakit? Ay, Your Honor, hindi ko po alam. Ate, di natin dinala yung coupon natin. Ano ba yan? Sayang. Oh, ang ganda ng car. Ala, so kulang yung isang gabi natin dito. Nakakainis. Kulang yung isang gabi. Nakagayak na ako ng ano, 7.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ready na ako yung naka-apply.
Ready na rin ako eh. Oh my gosh, may umakit po na, may umakit. Hala. Hindi pala totoong tao yun. Tumbang building, ang galing.
Oh, hey, Stacey! Let me get a picture of you.
Han Farwood Ferrari. Ang galing. Talayin ko nga si Kuya kung siya yung gumawa nito kasi parang napagod siya. Kuya, ikaw ba yung gumawa nito? Napagod ka bang ginawa yung sasakyan? Ha, Kuya? Kuya, siguro napagod si Kuya kakagawa ng sasakyan na to. Kasi siguro gumawa ng sasakyan na to, no? Galing.
It's not just a light. It's a light. Oh, look at this! Stacey, look at that tornado! It's a whirlpool.
Say hi. really. Nightmare. Haunted house. Gusto namin pumasok lahat dito sa Nightmare. Tara na guys.
Look at the scary staircase. It's a scary staircase, mommy.
Here na Stacy. 6 years old. It's okay, Braille.
She'll be able to handle it. It's really scary in there. Really scary. If she's brave, I can maybe let you in.
Are you ready?
Are you brave?
Are you brave?
You want to come in? She said it's very scary. What do you
It's the
think?
scariest one on Clifton Hill, and just today we had 27 people back out, and they were all adults.
Yeah. So, do you want to go inside or no? It's very scary there.
You don't want to go in?
Where you wanna go? Oh, don't go.
When I had a nightmare, there was an alligator, a bear chasing me. I got up the couch, but they tried to eat me.
Oh, you're scared with that? Oh, nag-back out yung mga ano oh.
Really?
Nag-back out sila.
Nightmare. My dream.
Papa, nagba-back out yung mga taong. Let's go. I wanna try this one.
It's gonna be my first.
You're going to be brave enough. It's pitch black in there. You can't see a thing.
Very dark. There's only one dot like this, a red dot that you have to follow. If I remember correctly. Do you want to go in?
And there's a little part where you have to crawl.
Yeah, you have to
So you
go.
won't be able to be on your dad's
Yeah, I can't carry you through the whole thing. Okay?
Could you do that,
You want to do that?
Stacey?
Can you do that? I think I'm freaking her out.
Like if you're gonna crawl into a small hole,
Yeah.
maybe someone might try to grab you. Are you scared or? Huh? Is that scary for you or
Okay, your
not?
parents can protect you.
Yeah. Okay, Daddy will protect you. Okay, and Mommy.
Wait, why me? Don't
And Mommy nga. Okay?
Oh, no, wag mo na ipilit mo na si Stacey.
Okay.
Papa.
Back out. Sige, sige.
There you go. Check it out. Let's go.
Kailangan mong pigilin yung ihi mo. Ha?
Ano nga?
Ha? Pwede naman, no? Ah. Okay, we're not allowed to video inside, so I'm gonna iwan my cellphone. Bakit ako una?
I don't wanna go first.
Si James! Si James na lang! Ooh, it's haunted house!
I'll go first. It's very scary though. From what I remember.
Oh, really? Ay, ihi, ma'am. Bawal, dalig yung cellphone, iwan ko na to.
Yung bahay ninyo,
Mama,
casino.
din naman dun na.
Yung ihian ng mga bata sa Starbucks.
At sa casino pa, ma, nakikita mo kung gaano kalayo yung casino, ma? Oo.
Wala dito, wala
Oh,
dito.
pagbalik mo dito, umaga na. Lilit pa naman ang step mo, ma.
Balik mo, sarado na sila.
Okay.
Love you.
Oh, nag-back out na yung mga bata.
Stacey, go ka.
Grabe. Alam nyo ba, bago kami, may nag-back out ng mga grupo. So, nakabayad na sila, papasok na sila nun ha, di ba? Papasok na sila naman. And then sabi nila, no, hindi daw nila kaya. So, balis sila. So kami, kakayanin namin kasi nandito si Jake. Siya yung frontliner.
First responder.
Oo.
I have no idea how scary it is.
Oo, takot na. Takot na yung mga bata sa sigaw. Oo. Kayang-kaya mo yun pa. Ikaw na pa, hintayin ka namin dito pa. Punta ka mag-isa pa. Pa, para ma-experience mo din.
Ako yung pinauna nila.
Yung ano ba, yung ano lang, doon yung suspense. Hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari.
Ay, madilim, baka madapa ako. Wala ka talaga makikita. Nakakawa ko sa kamay ni Jake.
Anong next?
that walker ring, dami mo like...
So, ibang daan ang nating tatakakin dahil
Hindi, kung magsisiyar ka ma, abutin nyo na sa kwarto. Kasi ganun din yung lakad.
Oo nga. Hindi na.
That's a good time, right?